So this is my Ruger 1022 Takedown. As you can see, I have the integrally suppressed barrel portion of it. However, when I originally bought the receiver of this firearm, it wasn't like this. It had the Magpul backpacker stock on it, along with a threaded barrel. So in order to go get it to accommodate this integrally suppressed barrel once I got it, I had to go revert it back to stock. So I did so, and then I added a rail on it, and then this cheaper Holosun optic, and then I was all excited and took it out to go zero it in. But when I was attempting to do so, I was having some bizarre issues on it in terms of accuracy. I'm talking like a 1 foot drop at 25 yards, along with just some general cycling issues. So I was like, uh-oh, is there something wrong with the integrally suppressed barrel? That's an NFA item, so if I had to do anything with that, that'd be fun. Or hey, this is a cheaper Holosun optic. Is that the issue? Well, none of these actually were the case. What the case is if you look at your receiver, and then you look down at the top of it, like you're looking at where your optic would mount, you'll see that you actually have this barrel nut here. And you can turn this barrel nut left or right, and when you do so, you'll actually hear it click in stages like you would when you're zeroing something like an optic. When you turn it right, that actually will move this barrel nut up, and what that will do is it will give you a tighter fit to your barrel portion of your takedown. Or if you turn it left, that actually will move this barrel nut down. And then what that will do is that will give you a looser fit to your takedown. So what people recommend you do is that you turn this all the way to the right until it's so tight that your barrel portion actually won't fit into your receiver anymore. Then they recommend that you just tighten it to the left a few clicks after you get to that point and then run it like that. So I did so, and this helped my accuracy issues immensely. However, I was still having issues with feeding or encircling of the firearm. So what I did is I would go at the range, I'd actually load up a mag with 10 rounds. Then I would go fire through them and see if I could get through it without a malfunction. If I had a malfunction, I disconnected the 1022 takedown, turned this to the left 1 click, then loaded up another mag and saw if I could get through that mag without having any cycling issues. And once I got to the point where I could get through a full mag without any cycling issues, I just considered that my point and left it in that position. If you're running something like 25 round magazines and then you can get through a 10 round mag but can't get through a 25 round mag, just go ahead and loosen up 1 more click. Essentially, you just want to get into that Goldilocks zone to where it's tight enough to the barrel where you aren't having accuracy issues, but loose enough to where you're not having feeding issues on it. Then another thing that you just want to go keep in mind with the 1022 takedown is compared to a standard 1022, you just are inherently going to have a less accurate gun, just compared to how this is designed. Obviously, your optic is on a different portion of the gun from the barrel, so this just isn't going to be as accurate as a standard 1022. It's just one of the sacrifices you make when you switch to the takedown on it. You'll still be able to hit soda cans at something like 25 yards. That won't be an issue. But I can't guarantee that you'll be able to go hit a penny with a scope at 100 yards. So guys, I hope this video helped if you're having any sort of cycling reliability or accuracy issues with your 1022 takedown. And other than that, I hope that this video helped someone, and happy shooting, guys.